how to join Clickbank affiliate program. So the first thing you want to do is open up your search engine. You then want to type in Clickbank affiliate, search, and then you want to select Clickbank Affiliate Market Hub. Once you're on the Clickbank affiliates page, you then want to scroll to the bottom. Then under Earn with Clickbank, you want to select Affiliates. You then want to select Start Here. It will then give you the option to customize your Clickbank experience. You want to select Skip this quick start guide. And this will take you to a sign up or login page. And because we're new here, we'll sign up. So here you want to enter your country, first name, last name, and phone number, email address, and password. And once you've done that, that'll take you on to the next step. Once you've signed up to Clickbank, it will then ask you to download the suppression list and accept. So you can go ahead and select that. You can download that and you can view that. And now you should be taken to the dashboard page. And this will now ask you to complete your profile. Here, you can then enter in your first name, last name. If you want to change your password or email address, you can do that here. If you want to go to the affiliates tab, you can select that. And this will tell you everything you need to know about affiliate marketplace here, from the offers to their YouTube channels, their social medias, anything you really want to know about Clickbank and their affiliate marketplace. And if you want any extra support, you can go to the support tab. And here they'll provide some guides on how to use the Clickbank account. And that's how you join Clickbank affiliate marketplace.